Alright, Rabbi, welcome everyone. When we release this, it will be Thursday. We try every Thursday to teach something from the Kedushas Levi. I usually do the one about V'yomish Choshech, but we're going to do this one. You can watch the old videos. We'll try to maybe put links to those or something. So we're in the book of Exodus, Parshas Bo. That's my bar mitzvah parsha. Although my birthday is another 2 weeks. 11 days, 10 days. We are in the book of Exodus, chapter 10, verse 11. And the Lord spoke to Moses and said, "Go to Pharaoh, because I hardened his heart." So you have to understand, why does it say literally come to Pharaoh, as if come over here, you know? But elsewhere it says go to Pharaoh. So here it says come to Pharaoh, and there it says go to Pharaoh. And also, why is it by the plague of locusts that it says I hardened his heart? We'll explain. There are two types of miracles that God wrought for the Israelites. One is that the blessed Lord punishes those who do evil to the Israelites in order to put an end to the evil. But the other is that he turns the leaders of the Gentile world to be supportive of the Jewish communities and beneficent. So in the book of Esther, we see King Ahasuerus was not punished, only Haman was punished. But then when it comes to Ahasuerus, the blessed Lord turned his heart around to good upon his people, the house of Israel. This is hinted to in our Torah, the law. Each plague, we are told, lasted for 1 month. The plague of the firstborn was in the middle of the month of Nisan. Which means that the plague of locusts happened in the middle of the month of Shvat, like Tu Shvat, a month before Purim. This is the hint, because I hardened his heart. Because I'm in control of his heart, God says. I mean, a Torah Merubah, and usually a good thing, and that's even better than something negative. So therefore, if I am able to harden his heart, so all the more so I could turn around the hearts of the princes and the advisors to be positive and beneficent. On his people in the house of Israel. That's why 30 days before the holidays, when we start to ask and study about the holiday. So this was already hinted to 30 days before Purim, which is when the heart of King Ahasuerus was turned over to be beneficent. When it says I harden the heart, and this is how we explain that when it says come to Pharaoh, how could it be that Moses could approach this wicked Pharaoh? This is why God said to Moses, come to Pharaoh, I know the curve as Atzmai love, that you should bring yourself to him. And Moses is going to ask, how am I going to get close to a wicked man? This is because I harden his heart. Pharaoh's heart is in my hands, says God. And the power of good is better. And I'm able to turn around to bring good things upon my people, the house of Israel. Taka, it should be so. Baruch Hashem, we have such wonderful leaders now who are supportive of the Klal Yisrael, of the authentic Torah communities, and should just continue to be only good things for the whole Klal Yisrael, and Mashiach should come very soon. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you soon. All right. How do I turn this off?
Yibunei HaMikdash, Hirtzia in the Mala.